What's going on? It's your boy Kartoon here with Kartoon Review. We review anything that a consumer could buy. Today we're going to be looking at the Whitestone dome glass, tempered glass for my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. We're going to install it. We're going to see how it feels, if it does the same, everything the same. Stay tuned. So I want to give a big shout out to the Whitestone company that sent me this package with other things like the camera glass dome. So we're going to concentrate with the tempered glass itself for my Samsung Galaxy S21. I'm going to leave a link down below. It's almost the same thing for the Plus and the Ultra. So I'm going to leave a link down below. So let's open this bad boy up and let's see what we got inside. Alright, so we got, oh my god, everything is falling out. So we got the bracket itself where you're supposed to put your phone in, and the little bridge where we're going to put the adhesive in there, right? And then we also get another pair. So I guess it comes with, it says 1 or 2, I'm not sure, but everything is in here. And then the tempered glass itself is in this bad boy. I don't want to do anything crazy. Nope, we got the LED just to cure the adhesive in there, and it's micro USB. Pretty nice, pretty nice. So let's put this to the side. And I guess the tempered glass is in here. Yep, it is. I really don't know what is this for, but we're gonna keep it to the side. A warranty, not bad. More instructions, how to do it. The video, if you want to watch the video itself, you could do that. And then we get 2 tempered glass. Let me make sure. Yep, we got 2 of them. We get 2 of them. Not bad at all. And then we get all these adhesive and all that good stuff. So it's basically if you're gonna have another one to do, and the little bracket that goes in the middle. So it takes a few steps, but if you have another one to do, let's say God forbid something happened to the screen and it cracks, you have another one there. So it's pretty dope. So let's get all this bad boy set up so we could get to install it on my screen. All right, the first thing we need to do is mask the top, the sides, and the bottom. So you got one of these bad boys here. We're just gonna peel it off, and then we have to do our best. I don't even know which is this. Oh, no, right. So we're gonna take this half off if you want to come off, right? It doesn't matter which way you do it, but you just gotta mask it off. Make sure you try to put it directly in the middle. That should be good. That should be good. Okay, so after you've done maxing everything out, next step you gotta do is wipe it down. Make sure that the surface is nice and clean. Take your time with it. Remember, after you put it once, stick it there, you just gotta, if you want to take it off, you have to use the other tempered glass, and you don't want to do that. Another thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn my device off. After I turn off my device, I just keep cleaning it. And then with a dry microfiber cloth, just wipe down everything else. And after we're done with this part, we're gonna use the little dust remover. And one advice I could give you is wash your hands before you start doing this, because your hands make oil, and you don't want none of that oil in this process here. So just try to clean as best as you can. Then we're gonna use the dust remover sticker here. Just go all around it. gonna pick it up. Alright, so it's looking good right now. So next step, let's put it in the case. Alright, so before we put it in the case, we gotta remove this little sticker right here underneath here. And then we're just gonna turn it around. And then just pop it in there. It's supposed to sound like that, it's supposed to do that. And then rub your finger across of it. Just like that. Now with this, you're gonna wind it up because it's gonna be a step there. You're gonna see why you're gonna wind this up. So you just gotta wind it up until it doesn't stop. Just keep winding it until you feel like a little resistant that it doesn't want to go anymore, and then you're good to go there. You know what? For good measure, let me just do some of this, just in case something went in there that ain't supposed to go in there. Just doesn't hurt. All right, so now we're gonna put the bridge, and then we're just gonna unlock this side first. Well, unlock this side first. Put it in there. All right. Then you're gonna untwist this other side, and everything's gonna go there. Give it a good few seconds until everything is out of there. Make sure everything is out. Right after everything is out, all you gotta do is take this out off. Take the bridge off. Throw away the adhesive, not the bridge, because you might need it later on down the line. You never know. And now you're gonna get your temper glass. So you're just gonna remove this side. You're gonna remove one side. You're gonna take it off, and then you're gonna do one of these numbers. You're gonna place it down, just let it like that, and then you're gonna put this bridge, this little weight thing, and make sure everything is fine. Yep. You're gonna put it right like that. And then remember, I told you to unwind it. Then you're just gonna, I'm gonna bring it down just in case, because I got it all the way up. So there's one of those numbers. And then you're good to go. Give it a few for everything to go in nice and even. Some adhesive is definitely gonna come out. That's why you have these little white things on the side. So after you're done, you take those things out. Save all of this just in case you do drop your phone and your glass shatter and you just gotta replace it, basically. So let's give it a few, make sure everything goes through, and we should be good to go. All right, so all the adhesive went through. Now we gotta take this piece off, and then we have to put it for 15 seconds. So all you gotta do is press once. I'm gonna do 15 seconds on the top, middle, end. All right, so let's do that. So now we just gotta put it right here. 15 seconds, you hit it once, it's gonna shut off by itself. Then we're gonna do the middle, and then we're gonna take it off, and then we're gonna do it again for another 60 minutes, and we should be good to go. All right, so the three spots is done. Now we're just gonna pop it off. Let's take all the tape off. All right, so make sure you clean all the edges around, because it did drop some of heat. Let me wipe it down real quick. Make sure you clean it up. Now we gotta do 60 seconds. I'm gonna do 60 seconds on all three spots. So you gotta double click it. So I'm gonna do 60 seconds in the top, 60 seconds in the middle, and then 60 seconds on the bottom. All right, guys, so I'm done doing everything that I needed to do, which was let it cure for 60 seconds on the top, middle, bottom. I re-registered my fingerprint, and let's see. Let's give it a try. See how it works. Make sure that it's not looking for me. There you go. I'm having trouble with this thumb, but I guess because I work at construction wise, so the fingerprint is not there. But so see, it worked now. So I guess we got to give it a few times so it could work. And they put it tilts this way. See, it's working perfectly fine. Installation was simple. Let me see if the case fits it. Let's see how it works. Oh, pretty good. Let me wipe it down. I need a new microfiber cloth, but I got a bunch of it there. If you like, this is a pretty good microfiber cloth. I forgot how much I paid for it, but I will leave a link down below. If you want something like that, I always try to have a few of them around. But with the case, it's pretty cool. It's pretty good. Jesus Christ, I'm gonna just keep wiping it down. Pretty good. You know what, guys, if you stayed this long watching the video, I have a surprise for you. All right, so big shout out to Whitestone for providing me an extra kit. They told me do whatever you want to do with it, so I got to do the right thing and do a giveaway. It only applies for the S21 Ultra. It's gonna come with the kit, with the camera protection, and for your back of your phone protection also. All that good stuff. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe, and let me know in the comment below that you do have the S21 Ultra, and let me know, and also put that you want to enter the giveaway. It's a pretty neat thing to do, to have a nice, good protection and reliable. You know, Whitestone got the best of the best. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace.